Yahoo!
How are you all, little friends? Today, we are here with a new video for you. We will unbox farm animal toys, so let's get started. Cow. A cow is a domestic animal. Cows are one of the most innocent animals who are very harmless. People keep cows at their homes. Beautiful cow. Hen. A female chicken is called a hen. Domestic goose. A domestic goose is a goose that humans have domesticated and kept for their meat, eggs, or down feathers. Domestic geese have been derived through selective breeding. The goat or domestic goat Capra hircus is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. It was domesticated from the wild goat of Southwest Asia and Eastern Europe. Cow. Cows are one of the most innocent animals who are very harmless. Domestic cows are one of the most common farm animals around the world. Horse. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. Horses are adapted to run, allowing them to quickly escape predators, and possess an excellent sense of balance and a strong fight or flight response. Horses can sleep both standing up and lying down. Dog. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. Also called the domestic dog, it is derived from extinct Pleistocene wolves, and the modern wolf is the dog's nearest living relative. Bull. A bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Cattle. More muscular and aggressive than the females of the same species bulls have long been an important symbol in many religions. These animals play a significant role in beef ranching, dairy farming, and a variety of sporting and cultural activities. Gray horse. Wow, another horse. So beautiful, isn't it? Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae of the order Lagomorpha. Camel. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back. Camels have long been domesticated, and as livestock, they provide food and textiles. Rooster. An adult male chicken is called a rooster. And an adult female is called a hen. Roosters are larger, usually more brightly colored, and have larger combs on top of their heads compared to hens. Geese are large birds with loud, honking calls, along with ducks and swans. They belong to a group of birds called waterfowl in North America and wild fowl in Europe. These birds are equally at home on the water, on the land, or in the air. Today, my friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you soon. Bye.